Welcome to the Open Season Guide to Surviving the Wilderness. If you're a bear and you've got hunters chasing you through the forest, then this guide is for you. Squirrels are cute, but they're also kind of nuts. They love their trees and they'll defend them against any hunters that come too close. Let's watch these critters go nuts.
Is someone there?
Wow, whether they're eating nuts or throwing them, I think we can all agree, you don't want to be a hunter when squirrels are around. Thanks for watching, and remember, play it wild.